From his very birth, Utkala was fully satisfied and unattached to the world. He was equipoised, for he could see everything resting in the supersoul, and the supersoul present in everyone's heart. The symptoms and characteristics of Utkala, the son of Maharaj Dhruv, are those of a Mahabhagavat. As stated in the Bhagavad Gita, Yomam pashyati sarvatra sarvam kamai pashyati. A highly advanced devotee sees the Supreme Personality of Godhead everywhere, and he also sees everything resting in the Supreme. It is also confirmed in the Bhagavad Gita, Maya tatam idam sarvam jagadavyaktamurtina. Lord Krishna is spread all over the universe in his impersonal feature. Everything is resting on him, but that does not mean that everything is he himself. A highly advanced Mahabhagavat devotee sees in this spirit. He sees the same supersoul, Paramatma, existing within everyone's heart, regardless of discrimination based on the different material forms of the living entities. He sees everyone as part and parcel of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. The Mahabhagavat, who experiences the Supreme Godhead's presence everywhere, is never missing from the sight of the Supreme Lord, nor is the Supreme Lord ever lost from his sight. This is possible only when one is advanced in love of Godhead.